So you guys might be wondering what this little box disguised as a truck is doing on my counter. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Earthwalkharmony. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you, sort of. So as you can see, I have this little box, this cute little box designed like a truck, and apparently the little Target dog has made a delivery to my house. And you can see him right here heading towards you, and you can even see the little lights on the back of the truck. It's really cute, but I'm even more excited about what's inside here. So why don't we open it up and have a look? I have my trusty blade here. Slice one side and the other, and straight down the middle. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Woo! All right, if you guys are ready, here we go. Dun, dun, dun. Woohoo! I have got 10 jars of Good and Gather vegan mayonnaise. The ingredients aren't too terrible. Let's see. Canola oil, that's not so great, but it's got water, vinegar, sea salt, pea protein, sugar, but it looks like it's not a whole lot. Ground mustard seeds, modified cornstarch, that's not so great. Lemon juice, concentrate, mustard oil, spice, sunflower oil, beta carotene color. So not terrible, not the best, and it's not organic, but I'm sure you probably saw in this video how I was complaining about not being able to find vegan mayo. And so when I do find it, I really like to stock up. So that way, if I want to have potato salad or make myself some vegan ranch dressing or what have you, perhaps make a creamy pasta salad or grill a sandwich or something like that, I now have plenty of mayo to last me for quite some time now. And I'm very excited about that. How excited? Excited. So yeah, I've got my pyramid of mayo, and I still owe you guys a video on homemade vegan mayo and mayo comparisons, vegan mayo comparisons. So it's on the list, coming soon. I'll catch you guys next time. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Keep living the dream.